Today, I'll walk you through how to add checkboxes in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create checkboxes in your spreadsheet so you can enhance your data management and tracking. First, let's get started by opening your web browser. Go ahead and search for Google Sheets. This is the first step in our process. It's like opening the door to a new room filled with possibilities for organizing your tasks and projects. Once you've found Google Sheets, you can either create a new sheet or choose from your existing ones. If you're starting fresh, click on the blank sheet option. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google updates its interface from time to time, but the functionality remains the same. Now let's highlight the cells where you want to add the checkboxes. Click and drag your cursor over the desired cells. Think of this as selecting the areas where you want to plant seeds in your garden of data. With your cells highlighted, look for the Insert option in the top menu. Click on it. This is similar to opening a toolbox where you'll find the tools you need to build your spreadsheet. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Checkbox. This action is like placing the checkboxes in the selected cells, allowing you to track completion or status easily. After you've added the checkboxes, you can click on them to check or uncheck as needed. This interactive feature makes your spreadsheet more dynamic and user-friendly. If you need to add more checkboxes later, simply repeat the steps of highlighting the cells, clicking on Insert, and selecting Checkbox. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just take your time to ensure everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully added checkboxes in Google Sheets. This simple yet powerful feature can help you keep track of tasks, manage lists, or organize data effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.